There are 2 steps I want to give you to cooking the perfect chicken breast. Sometimes you don't have a thermometer. Here's a trick to see if your chicken is cooked without cutting into it.
And it's gonna sound a little odd, but you need to poke your chicken. You see how it sprang back super fast? That means it's probably done. This part right here sprang back a little bit slower. If it springs back super slow like that, it may need to be cooked a little bit longer. If it springs back immediately, your chicken's probably good to go. The other tip, treat it like a steak. Let it rest for a little bit before you start slicing into it.
Beautiful.